Over the last couple years, I've received a lot of requests for a seated calf raise. After tinkering with this belt squat and with the help from the comments section, I decided to try it out. I shuffle some stuff around, I add some padding to the black pipe, and I use the AbMat chest up pad for the seat. Whoops, it's a little too tall for me. A quick trim with the circular saw and it's good to go. I test out with some weights and it feels decent. Just a few more adjustments and it'll be perfect. Is this a better option for calf raises at home? Let me know what you think.